coordinator of the Interfacer Build workshops within the Interfacer project. The Interfacer project is all about connecting globally cities together to share global designs and to produce them locally. Yeah, in the Interfacer project we developed the so-called Fab City OS, the operating system, to connect cities globally. And with this is to enable local Fab Labs and makerspaces to share their designs and to use them for the build workshops. For this we used already existing open source hardware designs which we had in the Hamburg community, and we built them locally in the Fab Labs with the citizens of Hamburg. So it was open for everyone to attend the workshops and to experience the power of Fab Labs. Over 8 organizations within the Fab City Hamburg community and providing around 14 different workshop formats where we build different prototypes, different designs together with the citizens. Yeah, so we provided workshop formats from the categories of bio, of textile, of solar energy, of mechatronics, mobility, also from vertical farming, and yeah, to give the citizens the best. Yeah.